And the breaking that we're getting is from the Ministry of External Affairs, who have confirmed the identity of these students. All of them were from Western Uttar Pradesh. The passports, documents of the 3 Indian students and the blood-stained knife have been reportedly recovered from the Ukrainian nationals. All necessary actions are now being taken to complete the formalities for sending the 2 bodies back to India. The embassy is also taking up the matter related to the safety of Indian students very strongly with the Foreign Office of Ukraine. India Today's Smita Sharma joins us for more. Smita, can you give us a quick update on the investigations, and do we know, the reason behind the reported murders? What are you hearing from the MEA?
The investigations were quick because 3 of the Ukrainian nationals who are in fact alleged to have committed this crime, they were arrested. But MEA in fact now putting out the names as well, saying that these were essentially 3rd year and 4th year students who were studying medical in fact in the Ukrainian university, and 2 of them are from Ghaziabad. The one in fact student Indrajit, who is still in hospital and recuperating, he belongs to Agra. So the embassy in Kiev is in touch with the families of the deceased as well as the family of the injured, their local guardians, their local contacts. They're trying to establish if this had any sort of a racist tone to it, or this was simply a case of in fact robbery and loot that went completely totally in a wrong sort of a way, and yes, the bodies will be flown in shortly to India. All arrangements are being made, Avantika.
All right, Smita, for now, thanks so much for getting us up to speed with the very latest developments into this case.
Another news coming in, and a tragic one. Once again, a bus has rolled down into Chenab River in Jammu and Kashmir's Doda district. 5 commuters have been killed on the spot. Dozen others